So far, we have been learning some techniques that help us write good prompt or help us handle complex tasks. So, do we have any technique that help us write a good prompt in seconds? Yes, meta prompting helps us all when it comes to write a good prompt. It is a technique where we don't write a prompt ourselves, rather we ask LLM to write a prompt for us. Isn't it interesting? Let's understand meta prompting through an example and see how it helps us write a good prompt. Let's take a case where I have some reports, but I want to convert them into LinkedIn posts. Now, how do I write a prompt in a good manner that LLM convert my reports into good and specific LinkedIn posts? First, I tried this prompt that is simple, basic, and one sentence prompt. Let's see what prompt do I get as a result of this basic and plain prompt. Okay, so we have got a prompt where LLM writes, take a following professional report and turn it into a concise, engaging LinkedIn post focused on highlighting one key insight or finding, using a tone that is informative yet approachable, adding a strong hook at the beginning, ending with a call to action or thought provoking question. Keep it under 300 words, formatted with short paragraphs and emojis if appropriate. Here is the report. Okay, so I'm going to attach a report over here. But wait, how does LLM know that my report has one key insight, or the tone that I want it to have, or the word limit? I did not tell this all. Who told it? I guess it has assumed this information. But we do not want LLM to assume anything on behalf of us. I should have my specific requirements. Let's change my prompt. I'll start my prompt with telling it that you are a prompt design assistant. This will make my prompt specific and crisp. Now, in the next line, I ask LM to create a prompt that helps ChatGPT turn formal business reports into casual yet professional LinkedIn posts. This is where I am specifying the types of posts that I want reports to be converted in. Now I tell what the post should have in it. The post should have an engaging opening book. It should highlight key takeaways, and the limit of the post should be under 150 words. When I have communicated all these requirements, then I tell that output only the final prompt text. The prompt I have given is specific, it clearly communicates my requirements. Now, the prompt that we are going to get as a result of this prompt is going to be way better than the one we got earlier. Now you see it has not assumed anything. The word limit it state is same as I stated. Also, because I asked it to act as a prompt design assistant, this is what additional things it has added as a prompt assistant. So this is how meta prompting helps you whenever you are in a position where you don't know how to write a good prompt or you do not know what exact technique should you use while writing this prompt. Just use meta prompting and LLM will help you write best prompt for you.